MEGAMINI G1 is the first smallest water-cooling gaming mini PC in the world. It comes in a very sleek design and is largely made of grey aluminum. We can see the whole water cooling system through the transparent body. On the front of this mini PC, next to the audio jack, we have 4 USB-A ports. At the back, there are 2 HDMI 2.0 ports, 2 USB-C ports supporting data transfer and display, so that you can connect up to 4 monitors. There is also one power port, one 2.5G Ethernet port, and 2 USB-A ports. We also can see there is one OcuLink with a transfer data up to 33 GB per second. With this OcuLink, you can connect to storage, external graphic cards, and more. On the left side, there's an SD 3.0 slot. The power button is on the top. The versatility of the ports allows you to do more in any scenario. Let's check some specs of this mini PC on CPU-Z. This gaming mini PC is equipped with an Intel Core i9-13900H processor with 32 GB RAM. This processor has impressive 14 cores, 20 threads, and a blazing fast clock speed at 5.4 GHz. This gaming mini PC has dual DDR5 32GB memory at the speed of 56,000 MHz per second. It features NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 with 8GB memory. This GPU with DLSS 3.0 AI acceleration technology delivers a more immersive gaming experience. Next, we are going to do a series of tests for this gaming mini PC. First, on the Cinebench, we got 17,404 scores with multi-cores and 1,624 scores with single-core. These scores are not bad for an i9-13900H processor. Then let's go to Furmark to test its stability and cooling performance, especially during gaming or other intensive tasks. Currently running at 1080p, we get 74 frames per second at the temperature is 59 degrees. After 15 minutes, the frame rate is 76 and the temperature has increased by 9 degrees, which is quite a stable and satisfying performance. The cooling system of this mini PC performs quite well. Under 3D Mark benchmark test, we got 10,503 scores on TimeSpy and 22,683 scores on Firestrike. Hey guys, if you're looking for a gaming PC with a powerful cooling system, high-performance gaming experience, meanwhile you don't want to sacrifice in compactness, MEGAMINI G1 is the best choice.